Have you ever wanted your content to go viral? Be honest. Everyone who starts creating wants that. 1 million views, notifications, the account exploding overnight. I wanted it too. But here's what I've learned. You don't need to go viral. And chasing it might be the thing holding you back. Look at the biggest online marketers out there. Their content to entertain everyone. It's built to attract the right people. Because 1 million random views can be worth less than 1,000 views from people who actually want what you sell. Views don't pay your bills. So I stopped asking myself, how do I make my content go viral? And I started asking a different question. How do I get my content in front of the right audience? Are the people watching this actually the people who want what I offer? Are they the ones who'd go looking for what I do? That's a completely different question. And it changes everything you make. So I stopped telling Claude, create content that can go viral, and started telling it, create content that attracts the people most likely to buy what I sell. Then I built a full content system using Claude. So I built 4 agents to run this whole thing for me. The strategist understands your offer. The researcher finds what's working with competitors. The creative turns that into scripts. And the analyst tells you the truth about your numbers. With this content system, you'll get 2 things. First, you stop guessing what to post. It runs research on your competitors every Monday morning and brainstorms ideas for you based on your service and offer. Second, you see what happens to those ideas afterward. The system tracks how the exact videos you create perform and feeds that data back into the system. I'm Ikai. I design AI-powered UGC content workflows and systems and break down exactly how they're built. I also run a school community where I show creators how to build their own. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe and like. Let me open the dashboard and show you exactly what these 4 agents hand you. So the strategist is the first thing you run. It asks you about your business and writes it all down in one place. The strategist asks you a few questions. Then it writes your brand, your offer, and your solution straight onto the dashboard. Up top, the basics, your account, your niche, and your offer, what you actually sell, your personas. A persona is just a description of the person you're making videos for, who they are, what they're stuck on, and what they want. And that's exactly what it asks for. 4 things per persona: who they are, what they're struggling with, what they're trying to achieve, and how your offer solves it. That's it. Answer it once and it's saved. And you're not limited to 1. You can add 2 or 3 personas if your audience sits at different stages. That's what I've done here. And the reason it asks all this is what comes next. Every other agent reads from this file. So when the creative agent writes your story outline later, it already knows who it's writing for and what that person actually cares about. Next up is the researcher. Every week, the researcher goes through the competitor list I gave it and pulls out 10 opportunities every week, automatically. An opportunity is a specific video from a competitor worth your attention. And for each one, you can see the numbers, the views, the likes and comments, the engagement rate. But the number that matters is the multiple. That tells you how far the video outperformed everything else. So a 3.7 multiple means that video pulled nearly 4 times what that creator normally gets. It's not about raw view count, it's about whether the idea broke out. Then each opportunity gets labeled 2 ways. First, on positioning. That means the idea is genuinely relevant to my business and what I offer. If it's not on positioning, it doesn't matter how well it performed. Second, it's tagged either high potential or crowded. High potential means a small account pulled this off, which is great news for me because my account is small too. Real chance of reaching more people with it. Crowded means a large account already ran this idea and did well with it. Still valid, but expect more competition in that space. One of the most powerful things this researcher does is recognize patterns. Take this one. It can tell you that this is the same pattern that worked for this creator before and it's working again. Use the last week against this week. It's the second independent confirmed instance of the same approach, where the creators to a fake AI video and comments on how to make it better, still outperforming. So the researcher reinforces it for you. This is a pattern that creator has landed on and it's still outperforming the rest of his videos. So that's the researcher's job. Find what outperformed, check it against my positioning, and tell me how contested the space is. If you'd like to set up the entire content system on your own, I've put together a free starter guide for you. Just click the link in the description to get it. Then the creative agent takes those opportunities and gives you a direction. Each one comes back with a concept and then a story outline, the hook, the beats, and the call to action. The hook comes from a proven hooks library, matched to my niche. Same for the beats and the call to action. And it tells me why the idea is relevant to my niche in the first place. So it's not a finished script. It's a preliminary idea, a thought starter that gives me the direction of what could actually work. The last agent is the analyst, and this is the one that tells me the truth. Things I completely overlooked, stuff I'd never have caught looking at my own analytics. It runs 2 reviews, a weekly one and a monthly one. The weekly is what worked and why. Top of the list, my best post, 4.8 times baseline. Then it groups my posts to find real patterns. Look at this one. It grouped every post by what I offered in the caption. When I offered a Claude skill, 21 posts, that's the only group at or above my baseline. The monthly review gives me the insights: what to keep, what to stop, and what to rewrite. The second finding was harder to hear. And honestly, I know I messed this one up. One caption template I'd reused across 27 separate post accounts for most of my weakest posts. So the creative agent won't write it for me again. And this is the part I found surprisingly useful. 5 posts flagged for a rewrite and the reason for each. Take this one, 90% skipped, average watch 1.5 seconds. That's a hook failure signature. The Analyst also gives me recommendations on what to focus on next month. And they're not vague. Each direction comes with a purpose attached. This one's built for reach, and this one's built for reach and then saves. So I know what I'm actually trying to get out of it before I film anything. I've also built a fully automated installer for this full content system, including the finished dashboard. It's in my school community. One setup, and every week it saves me at least 8 hours of research and ideation. And more importantly, my content actually got better. Let me show you how easy it is to set up.
Step 1. Open Finder on your Mac and go to your Documents folder. Create a new folder and name it Instagram System. Step 2. Download the Content System Files.zip file and drag the zip file into the Instagram System folder. Leave the file zipped, do not open or extract it. Then go back to the Claude code. Make sure your Claude code is set to local environment. Then, choose Open Folder, then select the Instagram System folder you just created, the one containing the zip file. Then, download the Instagram Content System.md file and open it in any text editor. Select and copy the entire prompt, and paste the entire prompt into the message box at the bottom. Hit enter. Yes, the prompt is long, and that's completely normal. Make sure you paste all of it, not just part of it. Then you're done. Claude Code will automatically run the installation process, asking you the right questions along the way to set up your dashboard and content system.
I am improving this system every week. Join the community and you get every update of it, plus the latest AI UGC techniques. Links in the description. See you inside.